All right, guys. So now here we are actually showing you guys. We are actually at the Durban cruise port. Durban cruise port. Today we are actually is the day when we're supposed to be going out of South Africa. As you can see, we all need to go down. We need to go down, all of us, crew members, passengers. We all need to go and stamp our passports because of now. The immigration officers need to check if you have all the required documents to be in this ship. Right. Since you're going out, as you can see, these people, these are, you see the ones that are wearing white, right? These are the ones that are, propelling these are the highest ranked staff on the cruise ship. These are the highest ranked crew members. Yeah, all right. So we need to go and stamp our passports to show that we were actually, we left South Africa properly. It is mandatory for each and every passenger that is on this cruise ship. All right. So we are docked in Durban. As you can see, we are docked in Durban. That's where we are. Right. This is my balcony. So we are going out. Go get my shoes. Go get my feet, my shoes.
The camera down, Mr. So you can be able to put lotion.
So this is my room, guys. Where's my bag? See, we have to take our bags, get our bags. So because of we have to do passport control. All right, guys. This is my balcony. This is my balcony. This is my balcony. So we are going out now. We are going out. All of us are going out. Okay. Going out. This is a nice room. If you are three of you, one person can sleep there. Right. There's some nice decorations as well on the rooms. It's so nice. And here is the bed. They haven't made up the bed, but they are coming to make up the bed. We are leaving now. Right. And we've got such a small TV there. It's actually, how many inch is this? 50 inch, I think. I'm not sure. Right. And you've got your espresso machines there. You can make yourself coffee. Right. These bottles, don't try them. You see the price? It's 3.10 euros. It's almost 60 rand. So don't try. It's more than 60 rand actually. So these are the glasses, some cups for you to drink coffee. They've got some plugs. These are the plugs they have in a European cruise ship, right? So here we are leaving. We are leaving now. Here's a toilet. Here's a toilet. Here's a toilet, guys. There's a small sink there. And you can put your Colgate toothbrushes there and a small mirror there. Towels there. That's where soaps to bath. Such a beautiful, and there's an aircon here. You can put your settings on the aircon. Put your settings on aircon. Right? Yeah. Anyway, so we're going out now, guys. We're going out. Okay, guys. So go with us. Right.
I must take it back.
So now we're going out. We are going to the
Jesus.
Faka music, mo. Hello, hello.
Hello, are you again?
She got lost. She got lost.
I have to go to pee.
Ah.
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
There weren't even the ones because you're the right here.
Hmm?
Those kids, they weren't the ones that were right here.
Yeah, that's a thing. That's a thing. Bringing small kids. That's a thing. When they grow up, you have to take them back again to the cruise ship because they were still young. They don't know nothing. Like ours now, you see. Our kids, you have to bring them back because when they were here, they were still young.
It will be like as if you're lying to them.
It's like that.